To use Apple Pay in Saudi Arabia, you need to have a compatible Apple device such as an iPhone or an Apple Watch. First, make sure your device is running the latest version of iOS or watchOS. Next, you need to add a credit or debit card to your Apple Wallet. To do this, open the Wallet app on your iPhone and tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Then select the type of card you want to add and follow the prompts to enter your card details. You may be asked to verify your card details with your bank. So have your card and bank details ready. Once your card is verified, it will be added to your Apple Wallet and you can start using Apple Pay. To make a payment using Apple Pay, simply hold your iPhone near the contactless payment terminal and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. On an Apple Watch, double-click the side button and hold the watch near the terminal. Many banks in Saudi Arabia support Apple Pay, including Al Rajhi Bank, Saudi British Bank, and National Commercial Bank. You can check with your bank to see if they support Apple Pay. When using Apple Pay, make sure to keep your device and card information secure. Use a strong passcode and keep your device up to date with the latest software. You can also use Apple Pay to make online payments. When shopping online, look for the Apple Pay button at checkout and select it as your payment method. Then authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to complete the payment. Overall, using Apple Pay in Saudi Arabia is a convenient and secure way to make payments. By following these steps, you can start using Apple Pay today and enjoy the benefits of contactless payments.